Hi all. Today we are taking a look at how to use Chat GPT. Let's get into it. So to start off, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up whatever browser you would like to use, and we're going to type in Chat GPT. Once here, we can go to Chat GPT, Smart and Simple AI, and we are here. I would say let's log in first before we go ahead and ask anything, just so we can save any of the prompts we use. I usually sign in with Google as it makes it pretty easy to sign in. Once you're signed in, you should be greeted with this, and you can go ahead and use any of the prompts down below if you're going to be creating an image, analyzing an image, getting advice, analyzing data. There are more options. And then from there, you can go ahead and ask it a question. How do I get more video views? And we can submit that, and ChatGPT will start providing answers and helping you with whichever task you are trying to complete. Let me know if this video helped, leave a comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.